Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Joseph in Pennsylvania on this RCI-2970N4. Joseph, got ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, clarifier unlocked. Let's get right to it. Horsepower all the way down, 250 watt slug. It's set about 20 watts all the way down. About 105 all the way up, maybe 110. I'll show you average power swing. So, 200 bird average, 1000 watt slug in PEP. Hello, about 590. Let's go over to sideband. Hello, and about 490 on sideband. All right, Joseph, it's ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.